Hi, I'm Victoria. Some of you may know me from the Burping King video, recently in the top 50 favorites for today. Well, not today when you watch this, but yeah. So I first started burping when I viewed the video Burping Queen, who she supposedly won an award in the Guinness World Book Records for the largest burp. I could whip her about anything I feel, so I'm gonna try.
The minute you walk in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real spender, good looking. Or if I had I'd like to know what's going on. So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. Like that fun comes about the view. Laugh, I can show you a good time. Let me show you a good time. The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man.
Can't stop, I have to go pee really bad.